to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to change Google AdSense account on your YouTube channel. It's very simple process. So now let's start on my Mac screen. So first of all, I open here Google AdSense account, which AdSense account I want added on my YouTube channel. So first of all, open Google, type here Google AdSense account, sign in. Just sign in here. So this is Google AdSense account. I want to update this account on my YouTube channel. It's very simple. How to find out publisher ID on your Google AdSense account? This is the Google AdSense account. Here the payment info, account, setting and account information. It's very easy. So look at this here, publisher ID. You need to update this particular publisher ID in your current YouTube channel or another YouTube channel, so you can receive the payment on this particular AdSense account, and you can use this AdSense account multiple YouTube channel as well without any problem. So I just simply copy this one. I open here my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, Research Rocks. If you not subscribed, please subscribe. So here the earn section is available. You just simply click here earn. Inside the earn, here scroll down and look at this here, YouTube partner program option AdSense for YouTube channel. So this AdSense account is different Google AdSense. I won't change this one, and as I say, I want update this Google AdSense account there. It's very easy. Just simply go back here the change, verify yes. So you need to provide some authentication. You are the right person to update or modify or not. So accordingly, authentication perspective. If you want update here, take a 2 to 3 week. Monetization will common when. Here most important point, you need to sign in here which Google AdSense account you want connect in your YouTube channel. So I just simply select here AdSense account, which account I want added. Look at this here. Here is my YouTube channel URL, and I select this Google AdSense for my Research Rocks YouTube channel account. Redirect. Say yes. And look at this here, wait couple of seconds. Today is the 26th of November, morning 11:56. AdSense account is updated. If I open here, so the account 0521, last digit 0521, it's updated. So this is the very simple process to update Google AdSense account using this tips and tricks. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question related on this video, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.